Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English Short Passage Reading for Beginners. A rainy day brings a special kind of joy, transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. Recently, I had a chance to fully enjoy such a day, and it was a wonderful experience. The morning began with gentle raindrops tapping against my window. As I watched, the rain steadily picked up, creating a calming rhythm. The usually bright and bustling streets were quiet and peaceful, washed in shades of gray and green. With an umbrella in hand, I decided to take a walk outside, eager to savor the atmosphere. Stepping out, the cool, crisp air felt refreshing, with a hint of damp earth, that unmistakable petrichor. The sound of raindrops hitting the pavement was oddly soothing, creating a natural symphony that drowned out the noise of the city. I strolled through the park, where trees seemed greener, leaves sparkled with water droplets, and everything felt cleaner and more alive. Puddles formed, and I couldn't resist splashing through them just like a child. After my walk, I returned home, made a warm cup of tea, and curled up by the window with a favorite book. There's something magical about reading while it rains outside. The world feels cozier, and time seems to slow down. The steady downpour became a calming backdrop, allowing me to get lost in the pages. As the rain continued, I also took the time to write in my journal, capturing the beauty of the day and the peace it brought. A rainy day isn't always about adventure. Sometimes, it's about slowing down and enjoying the little things. That day reminded me of how refreshing rain can be, not just for the earth, but also for the soul. Subscribe the channel for more videos.